Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make canned tuna better. Open a can and drain it thoroughly, then flake the tuna with a fork to keep texture. Start simple with salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon to brighten flavors. Taste as you go and adjust seasoning. Use a light hand with mayo or olive oil so the fish remains the star. Try one change at a time to learn what you prefer. Want bolder flavor without masking the tuna? Start with an acid. Lemon juice or a splash of vinegar lifts the whole dish. Add aromatics like finely chopped shallot or crushed garlic for savory depth. Fresh herbs such as parsley, dill, or cilantro bring immediate brightness. A pinch of smoked paprika or a dash of hot sauce can add personality. Mix gently, taste, and adjust so the tuna still feels light and flavorful. If this guide helps you, please subscribe and like the video for more tasty tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks, go darn tough for comfort and a lifetime warranty, perfect for long kitchen sessions and colder nights. I find a cozy pair keeps me focused while prepping meals. Check the description for the link and other deals, then grab a pair if you like. Now let's get back to the video. Texture makes canned tuna exciting and satisfying. Mix in crunchy bits like diced celery, chopped pickles, or toasted almonds for contrast. Keep creamy binders light. 1 tablespoon of mayo or a scoop of Greek yogurt per serving prevents sogginess. Add starches like cooked rice, pasta, or chunks of avocado to turn tuna into a full meal. Serve chilled on greens, in a sandwich, or stuffed into tomatoes for variety and visual appeal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.